Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the drum belt on your Samsung electric dryer. If you're experiencing issues like the drum not turning, a loud squealing noise, or your dryer stopping unexpectedly, it could be time to examine or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and have your dryer running smoothly again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a shop vac. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Be sure to unplug your electric dryer or turn the breaker off before starting. First, we got to get inside the machine. Start by popping the top of the dryer up. Sometimes a good tug does it, or you can slip in a flathead screwdriver. Lean the lid back against the wall gently. Remove the 3 screws on top and the 3 in the front. Remove the lint screen. Lift up on the front panel and remove the wire connector to the door switch. Set the front panel with the door aside. Disconnect the moisture sensor plug, then the 3 screws that hold the blower housing cover on. Remove the 4 screws that hold the front bulkhead on. Lift up and out of the slots and set it aside. You should be able to remove the drum after releasing the belt. This would be a great time to clean out the bottom of the dryer base and the blower housing. Now, let's take a look at the drum belt. The belt wraps around the drum and the motor pulley, and it works with the idler pulley to keep everything spinning smoothly. First, give the belt a visual inspection. Look for any cracks, fraying, or stretching. If the belt looks worn down, thin in spots, or has visible damage, it's time for a replacement. Even if it looks okay, give it a quick flex. A good belt should feel strong and a little stiff. If it feels soft, brittle, or has lost tension, that can affect how well the drum spins and might cause slipping or thumping noises while the dryer runs. Also, check where the belt runs across the motor and idler pulley. Make sure it's not glazed or slipping, which could create a burning smell or make the dryer seem like it's struggling. If anything looks off, replacing the belt now will save you trouble later. Here's the old drum belt and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the drum in place and attach the belt. This part can feel like a blindfolded handshake, but with a bit of patience, it'll click right into place. Put the front bulkhead in place and secure with the 4 screws. This would be a great time to clean out the blower housing. Put the blower housing on, insert the lint screen, and reach over and connect that moisture sensor plug. You can now put the door assembly on, connecting the door switch and adding the 3 screws to the front, and then the 3 screws to the top. Position the top back into place. Done and done. Nice work. Now go enjoy not having to call a repair tech. Don't forget to plug your dryer in and turn it on to make sure everything works. Great job knocking out that noise with your Samsung electric dryer. Hopefully, it's running a whole lot smoother now. If you've got a tip or story from your repair, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how it went. Need a replacement part? Just have your model number handy and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders show up in a couple of days, so you'll be back to your routine in no time. Thanks for choosing us to guide you through the fix. Subscribe so you don't miss the next how-to, and we'll see you on your next appliance project.